Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lots of people like pudding. They always ask me, why don't you do a pudding? Yes, today I am doing one pudding for you, that is wood apple mousse. So that wood apple mousse pudding is going to be delicious. We will see how it is done. First thing that I have to do is I have to boil the gelatin and water juice and keep it ready for you before I start beating my egg whites. First thing, I am going to use 4 teaspoons of gelatin and fruit juice. Mixed fruit juice or orange juice, we can have it. Along with that, alone won't do, so I will have to add a little water. Gelatin, fruit juice, mixed fruit juice, that is mixed fruit juice I have taken about half a cup. Let this get boiled a little. It's boiling and the gelatin has got dissolved. Keep it ready. Right, now that is ready. Now another thing I have to do is wood apple jam I have to take. I am taking 3/4 bottle of this jam. I have almost taken 3/4 bottle of the jam. Nicely mix it and keep it ready. Now what are we going to do? Now we will start beating the 4 egg whites. Beat it stiff. Slowly increase. Once egg whites are beaten stiff, 150 grams sugar, little by little. Gelatin is hot. Little by little you add the gelatin. Jam. Now the mixture is ready. Now along with that, now I need a little whipping cream. You can use the whipping cream. I need say 1 spoon, 2, 3, 4. 4 dessert spoons of whipping cream. Now you can see the pudding is going to be ready. Now this mixture is ready. I am going to put half first. Wood apple mousse we said. Additional, I am using a few biscuit pieces. Biscuit pieces. It has to be in pieces, not fully crushed. Cashew nuts, sultanas, cherries. It's glazed cherries. Somebody was asking me whether we could use any other cherries. Glazed cherries only we have to use. That is only nice and good also. Wood apple mousse is getting ready. Now we have to actually keep this in the fridge at least for 2 to 3 hours. Not in the freezer but in the fridge. The wood apple mousse is ready. Keep it in the fridge After 2 hours, at least after 2 hours, take and do the garnishing. That is a decoration you can do. So you can see what decoration I am going to do now. A small decoration. This is strawberry jam. What is this? Strawberry jam. I need a cone. After 2 hours only you have to decorate. Don't be in a hurry to decorate also, because it has to be decorated after 2 hours. And this wood apple mousse is ready. You have to keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. Take it, decorate it. Now decoration has come like a flower shape, like whatever shape you want. You can have half like that and the other half you can leave it plain, or same way like this you can do it, and it's nice to see also. And what about it, if you eat it, I am sure you will really love this type of a pudding. This type of a pudding is served after dinner. After dinner it's served. So remember, after dinner it's an ideal pudding, that is wood apple mousse. All of you were asking for puddings. Here I have given you the pudding so that you will enjoy, and you watch my YouTube channel and press the icon so that many more recipes, many more puddings, cakes and dishes will come. You will enjoy that. Thank you for watching.